Hello everyone, this is Clint at Oak Hill Farm and Stables in Mooresville, North Carolina. Just wanted to show you the barn renovation project that I'm working on. You can see this is a 1919 old Gambrel style barn where we're stalling horses, and you can see sort of the work that I've done on the barn. You can see the contrast between what the barn used to look like and what it looks like now. This is I'm trying to make it authentic. This is the way they used to do old shutters. You don't see it done this way anymore. It's modeled after this granary over here door, and this latch is what I added to it, and it actually has auto close feature on it. This is the horse stall. So anyway, I wanted to show the project and update everyone on my progress. I'm going to also put a door here and finish this side, and eventually finish the upper level, which will be quite a challenge. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. Clint at Oak Hill Farm and Stables. Bye.